Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 4th of June, Friday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through a live intraday analysis and the bank beautiful pips. Let's dig into the system guys, and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update guys, so feel free to subscribe my channel. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis in real time. If you would like to know how I trade through this platform, help my traders in real time, feel free to watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD. If you look at the EURUSD yesterday, we had amazing short trade here, as explained to you guys based on the head and shoulder pattern. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, feel free to watch. Link is given in the video description. So we were short yesterday. Today we were short here, only very small trade as explained to trader. As soon as the price is about to hit 121,000 level, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. And afterward, this is the news reaction. As I said to you guys, I personally don't trade during the news until I find a very valid technical reason into it, or fundamental reason. So we had only very small counter short trade at this level, which I explained to trader. If you look at here, the price respected many time, and also price the possibility of pullback short trade here counter. We manage only few pips, but we haven't made good pips on the EURUSD because of the news. But let me share with you guys the today's analysis. If you look at on the intraday analysis, we have only two analyses I did. First of all, in the morning, you can see here again based on the price direction. Previously we had short trade yesterday, and again we are looking a pullback here. We have very strong bearish momentum. We had a beautiful pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit another sub resistance level, which is in 4 hour, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. And then afterwards, again, this is the news reaction you can see here. But most of the traders have taken this pullback, but I personally take only when there's a valid technical entry. As you can see here, price hit to the 100 EMA in 4 hour, price respected many times. That's what I explained to trader. Possibility of counter short trade. So we had another very small short trade, counter short trade on EURUSD. So you can see no big pips, but we manage few pips on EURUSD. Let's move on to the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had amazing trades today. And if you look at the yesterday, we were short here. We were keep banking some pips. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, link is given in the video description guys. If you look at the pound dollar overall in 4 hour, price is hovering around, you can see here many times respected here, and this is time price respected many times. So range market from last 2 weeks, but within the range we had a beautiful short trade yesterday, and we had a long trade. So if you look at the today, when the market opened at the London Open, that's what we explained to trader guys. Look, price respected previously this level. We have the daily support level, and if the price is going to develop double bottom, probably we're gonna find a counter long trade, and the best way if the price gonna break this level. So you can see here price broken. We were long this morning, and we were keep long taking a pullback, and later on news also supported to this pair, and you can see we were keep taking a long trade here. Once we bank some profit, when the price hit this level, that's what we explained to trader. Now it's time to look for counter short trade. So we were taking a counter short trade here. So let me share with you the intraday analysis based on the 4 hour price action. If you look at the pound dollar, we had an amazing beautiful long trade this morning, and the short trade at the New York session. So if you look at here, that's what we explained to trader. Look at here, because we're watching here at this 4 hour major support level, and if you look at here, price develop here small consolidation. The best thing is price develop another beautiful double bottom. The safest trade, as always mentioned to trader, look for the previous high broken, as you can see. And then afterwards I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks. We have one breakout, one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. When the price reached to the resistance level, that's what we explained to trader. Look for another counter short trade. You can see here, this is the counter short trade analysis. That's what is a possible counter short trade. As soon as the price develop red candle, that's why interesting thing we use this price based chart, which help us. As you can see here, at this level we have another counter short trade as soon as the price hit to the recent low, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had amazing trades, especially in pound dollar. Keep taking a long trade, pullbacks, even new supported, and also counter short trade. That's what we do every single day, guys, in real time. That's what we explain, all these things in real time. That's the interesting part of it. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD, guys. So dollar CAD, we had a very small short trade. Let's see in 4 hour. You can see yesterday we were long, and we had another small long trade this morning, and that's what I recommend my traders to wait for the news. And this is the news reaction NFP. So as always, after the news, because once we see this is bearish engulfing candle, looking for short, and that's what I explained to trader. Need a patient and discipline. Look for another pullback, and keep in mind price is, this is the pattern broken and possibility of long. So we'll see next week if the price is going to respect, then long. Otherwise we're going to keep taking. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. So let me share with you the today's analysis. That is the interesting part of it. We had a bank few pips on dollar CAD, only few pips euro and dollar CAD, but very good pips on pound dollar. So this is the analysis I did last night when I finished my recording, and afterward this is for the Asian session analysis. First priority, as explained, to look for pullback, any pullback. So if you have or breakout, so you can see based on this analysis we have this pullback, another 10-15 pips, another pullback, another 10-15 pips. As soon as the price is about to hit this green fib channel and the major resistance level, which is 21,323 level, that's what we explained to that. It's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the news. You can see here, that is the news reaction, and as I said to you guys, price was at this level. That's what I explained to trader. Just take a pullback if the price is going to respect this orange EMA. And you can see here, price nicely respected. We have beautiful pullback short trade here. Price as soon as the hitting to the previous low, that's what we recommend our trader. It's time to move your stop loss, or consider tightening your stop loss, or move your stop loss at the break even. So we have only few trades, I think 3 trades this morning, 2 trades long this morning on dollar CAD, and 1 trade short at the New York session. All right guys, so you can see here the most important trade of the day we had at the pound dollar bank, beautiful pips. All right, so we have also good trades rest of the pairs, especially we had interesting trades on the euro yen and the pound yen. Let me share with you the euro yen quickly, guys. As you can see here, this is the major structure broken, and that's what we explained to trader. Once the price break the major structure, just keep taking a pull back. So that's what we did whole day. This morning we have this breakout, then we keep taking a pullback. So that's what exactly we really enjoyed on euro yen too, and the pound yen. So if you look at here this morning, you can see here, this is the analysis I did at the Asian session, and we have breakout this morning, bank beautiful pips. Again, after the breakout, as always, look pullback. So you can see here, we really enjoy this breakout, momentum bearish. That's what we explained to trader. As long as the momentum is bearish, price broke on the major structure, just look for another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback, and also price develop a double top at the resistance level, wedge breakout, momentum bearish, 4-hour price action supported, and trusting beautiful pips on euro yen. So we had a beautiful trade on euro yen. We also had a beautiful short trade on pound yen breakout trade. As you can see here, this was the beautiful breakout. If I show you the analysis, and this is the analysis. We had a small long trade this morning. As you can see, cable was strong this morning. We had only one small long trade. You can see a consolidation breakout. But at the New York session, after the news release, just before the opening bell, I explained to my trader, look at this 4-hour price pattern. And if you look at here, the price keep respected. You can see many time. So possibility, as you can see, a rejection. That's what we explained to trader. Most safest trade, look for this pattern breakout. Beautiful, amazing pips. So you can see we have amazing pips on pound dollar, euro yen, pound yen. We have only few small trades on EURUSD and pound in a dollar CAD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis review. As I'm telling you guys, most important thing is when you see it in live, real time. That's the interesting thing, and that's why you're going to enjoy and you're going to bank beautiful pips. All right, so as I said to you guys, if you don't have forex trading experience, my main objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis, as well as helping other traders through live intraday analysis with the real market. That's the interesting part of it. If you are, and once we see that traders is developing, skills is developed, and they're producing, promising results, so we can open door for them to get funded from the pop firms. And if you are interested how I help my traders to bank pips and how I help my traders to get funded, feel free. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free if you are interested, or even if you are experienced trader. As you have seen, this is purely price action trading, guys. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy banking pips alongside with my professional trader. Once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Until next time, wish you all the best.